How to add stickers in NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First, on your laptop, go to your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type NanoBanana.AI and navigate to its official site. Once the site opens, make sure you are logged in with your account. Scroll down to AI editor section. Here you will find two main options, image to image and text to image. Select image to image and upload the photo you want to edit. To add stickers, tap on the main prompt field and type instruction in natural language. For example, add a heart sticker in the top corner, place a fun cartoon sticker on the bottom right, add multiple decorative stickers around the subject. Once your prompt is ready, tap Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process your request and generate the image and sticker applied. You can adjust your prompt if you want different sticker, size, or placement until it looks perfect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.